attention. For anyone that struggles with high stress levels, depression, insomnia, or a troubled state of mind, you can discover how to destroy anxiety and finally free yourself from mental prison by nurturing your second brain using these holistic mind-soothing ingredients. It's time to put yourself back in the driver's seat of your life. Poor mental health is a serious subject, and it should never be taken lightly. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can attack one of the major contributors of anxiety. Your stress, worry, and fears should never dictate how you should live your life ever again. And you can conquer these feelings without taking any medication to temporarily ease your mind. First, you need to understand that the key to feeling calm and collected and not lost in your head is to master what some doctors call your second brain. I know it sounds crazy, but let me explain. Introducing Calming Science. Using holistic mind-soothing ingredients to create the world's most anxiety-relieving recipes.
Listen, there is no one simple cure for anxiety. Since there are a lot of different variables that lead to it, it takes more than one change to get rid of anxiety for good. You see, most people don't get how your diet plays a major role with how the rest of your body, and more importantly, your mind functions. Enter the anti-anxiety recipe plan. If you're someone who suffers from anxiety, this recipe book will help you take an entirely natural approach to improve your mind and well-being. You've heard this saying before. You are what you eat. And according to research from Johns Hopkins Medical School, whenever you're nervous or anxious, you're likely getting signals from an unexpected source, your gut, aka your second brain. It's the reason why you'll feel your stomach act up right before an important event, like a job interview or even a hot date. Studies like this are revolutionizing the way people look at digestion, mood, your health, and yes, the way you think.
To learn more about the anti-anxiety recipe plan, follow the link below this video. The link is in the description of this video. We hope you have a nice day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.